Hey, what is going on? This is Rob from Panther. Today I'm going to show you how to do graffiti spray paint brush in Photoshop. So as you can see here, we kind of achieved results here. It looks pretty good. You also can see some of them here. And the first thing I want to do is, select the brush. Here you go. This is the brush. Click on it. And here you can see here, you just click on it and here it's going to load like basically all the brush types. Okay, so these are like the default brushes, and from here you need to load in the legacy brushes. So you're gonna click on this cogwheel, click, and here you can see the legacy brushes. So click on it and then click OK. And here you can see the legacy brushes, click on it, and we're gonna need the default brushes. So let's check what's inside and scroll down and until you find this little thing, airbrush soft low density graining. Click on it. From here you should have some sort of drawing skills, because we're gonna need to draw a circle. So I'm gonna create a new layer. So get the background, I'm gonna create here a new layer. I'm gonna draw a circle. So here's the circle. It's a little bit oval. I'm gonna press Ctrl T. There you go. I'm also thinking to create a new copy. Okay, I'm gonna press Ctrl T, rotate it, so I don't need to create it perfectly again. This idea just came up right in this second. I'm gonna create a new one. There you go. And I'm gonna create a new layer, and I'm gonna press and make it bigger, make the brush a little bit bigger. So I want to make a little bit more a gradient effect. So as you can see here, I'm trying to add a thicker layer. So anyways, it should look something like this. So I'm gonna select the top layer, gonna press and hold Shift, and then click on the bottom layer, which basically is related to the circle. I'm gonna right click and merge layers. So it's gonna create one single layer. From here, we're gonna go to the edit, go to the define brush preset. You can rename it however you want and click OK. So as you can see, we created the brush. I'm gonna scale this down, create a new layer. I'm gonna uncheck this and let's see what happens. Not that bad, but we still need to work on this, so I'm gonna delete this. So go to the brush options. The brush options are located here. If you don't have the brush settings, then go to Windows and select the brush settings. Okay, make sure to go to the brush tip shape. So here you can see the spacing between the circles. I'm gonna decrease down a little so it won't show those rings. If I increase it, it's gonna be a little bit more transparent, but you're gonna show the rings, all the rings there, and it's not that fluent. I'm thinking to go with 9, it's not that bad. And also make sure to check the protect texture, smoothing, and also check the noise. When you check the noise, these rings gonna melt together, and I'm thinking to increase also a little more the spacing to 11. There you go. I'm gonna check it out now. And I think it kind of worked. So again, I basically achieved different results. It really depends what kind of brush you're making, what kind of circle you're drawing at the beginning, because that is going to define how the brush is going to work out. So yeah, this is kind of it. If you're new on the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified with daily updates. And yeah, also check out the other videos as well. Have a good one. Bye bye.